Rare form of the tuberculosis involving the skin caused by the Mycobacterium tuberculosis or the Mycobacterium bovis, exogenous source of tuberculous canker. By the sulfuration with the regional lymphadenopathy occurs in the individual with a prior TB sensitization. Tuberculosis virus it is a hyperkeratotic aquatic presentation in the previously sensitized individual with a strongly immunity. Endogenous source Scoploderma, direct extension from an underlying TB focus such as lymph nodules. Artificial tuberculosis autoinoculation of the mucocutaneous borders hematogenous spread lupus vulgaris slowly progressing plaques with the apple jelly nodules of the endoscopy common in the previously sensitized individuals. Major tuberculosis seen in the disseminated TB with the multibacillary lesions. Tuberculosis gamma abscesses in the immunocompromised individuals. Tuberculosis hypersensitivity reaction without active infection, which includes sclerofluorus, micropapillary lesions, papillonecrotic tuberculate, necrotic papules, erythema, introitum of the basin, nodular lesion on the posterior legs, clinical features, chronic painless ulcer, plaques or the nodules, common site, base extremities, neck and the mucocutaneous junction. Systemic symptoms may be absent unless associated with the disseminated TB. Diagnosis. Clinical examination like history and the morphology of a lesion, skin biopsy, random metals, inflammation, depressive lesion, Mantoux test. Positive in the most cases. Microbiological studies. Acid positive baseless staining, culture on the Lowenstein Jensen medium, PCR testing, rapid and specific detection of the microbacterial DNA. Treatment. Standard anti-tubercular therapy. Intensive care. As an NSAID campaign. Ethambutyl and the pyrazinamide for the 2 months. Continuation phase. Isoniazid and the rifampicin for 4 months. Surgical excision for the non-responsive localized lesion. Topical therapy for the certain tuberculosis. Most common form in the adults, the skin TB caused by the Mycobacterium tuberculosis or the Mycobacterium bovis. Classification: exogenous tuberculous cancer, tuberculosis periconcertitis, endogenous scleroderma, artificial tuberculosis, heterogeneous lupus vulgaris tuberculosis gamma, hypersensitivity tuberculosis, lesions sclerofluorus. Most common form in the adults, lupus vulgaris, anaplastic lesion, lupus vulgaris, apple jelly nodules on the endoscopy, tuberculosis periconcertitis, batty hyperkeratotic lesion, Scoploderma, sinuses are also over the affected lymph nodes. Diagnosis: Mantoux test positive in the most cases. Skin biopsy, granulamas with the cessation, PFB staining and the PCR for the confirmation. Treatment regimen: intensive phase 2 months of HR study, continuation phase 4 months of HR. Systemic symptoms: unless part of the disseminated TB, tuberculosis, erythema, introitum of the basin, posterior leg nodules, papillonecrotic tuberculate, necrotic papules on the extremities. Complication: carrying potential progression to the systemic TB. Differential diagnosis: fungal infections, plus sarcoidosis.